You know, we started well, but we didn't start played well in the first half, and there was more than enough opportunity to pull this one out of the ditches and win it at the end. Yeah, probably just had to keep a little bit more patience on the attack here, get that last penalty and win the game. But there was, there was a lot of character out there, and a lot of guys who had a lot of rugby, like Jacques van Rooyen and die goedklopper Stefan Greef, Lambert, all those guys who had a lot of rugby the last few weeks, and as the game progressed, they all got better and better. And I'm just proud the way the guys performed against, I believe, a quality side and what must be one of the favourites for the Karika. Yeah, no, I mean he did, but he's defensively there was one or two errors that he made, and we felt that Elton is strong in that position, and the fresh legs will help us. Obviously, one never knew it would take one kick to win it. I think the mistake that we made is that we forgot to put him at fullback, because that was a plan, to keep him on the field, to put him at fullback and take off Chris Sander, and we at that moment we just wanted Elton on the field, and we just made him. So a mistake from my side. Probably I should have put him at fullback to keep his foot on the field. But I mean, end of the day, there was more than enough opportunity to win the game before that kick of Elton, so we can't put it down to just that.
Yeah, we had to defend most of the first half, but the A's did good. Leaked a few tries, but yeah, it was a high intensity, high pace game. But I can give all grades to the guys. Showed great guts and glory, sticking up to the pace, and it just shows we're not far behind in the pace, so we can still build on it.